came and said to him, Lord, how often shall my brother sin against me? And I forgive him. Up to 7 times? Siya ang sagot ni Jesus. Jesus said to him, but I do not say to you up to 7 times, but up to 70 times 7. 70 times 7, kung hindi marunong mag-compute si Peter, ang dami! Nakuha nyo, anong ibig sabihin ng 70 times 7 principle? Magbibilang ka hanggang 490 times? No. Ito yung principle. Ginawa niya ng kwento, ng talinhaga or parable. For this reason, the kingdom of heaven may be compared to a king who wished to settle accounts with his slaves. When he had begun to settle them, one who owed him 10,000 talents was brought to him. 10,000 talents? Naintindihan niyo ba yung 10,000 talents? Ang 10,000 talents, just too easy to compute in our mind, around 10 billion pesos. Daming laway ha? 10 billion pesos. Isipin nyo, paano mo babayaran yon kung slave ka? Ang slave, wala kang ang pag-aari. Paano nagkautang to ng ganito? 10 billion pesos. In other words, when you say 70 times 7, you are owing the master beyond your ability to pay. Yung pagpapatawad, beyond, kasi madali magpatawad kung simple lang yung problema. Like, na-late lang siya. Papatawarin kita, na-late ka sa usapan natin. Madali yun eh. Pero kung ni-rape yung anak mo, paano naman yan? Lagpas na yan. 10,000 talents na yan. Nagkakaintindihan? Madali magpatawad kung simple lang eh. Nadaplis ka. Uy, sorry, napakan kita. Okay lang yan. Pero yung pagdaplis, tanggal yung paa mo. Iba na yun. Ibalik mo yung paa ko. Nakuha niyo may ibig sabihin? Yun ang sinasabi ni Jesus dito. Lagpas na to sa kakayanan ng tao. Now listen, but since he did not have the means to repay, obviously wala, the Lord commanded him to be sold along with his wife and children and all that he had and repayment to be made. Ibig sabihin, may kaparusahan. Now sabi niya, so the slave fell to the ground and prostrated himself before him and saying, have patience with me and I will repay you everything. He was not asking for forgiveness. He was just asking for an extra time to pay. Tama ba? Ano sabi ng Lord? And the Lord of that slave felt compassion and released him and forgave him the debt.